What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button. Really helps out, guys. It really does help the channel. I also want to give a big shout out to the new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. Really do appreciate it. Welcome. So today we're going to go ahead and talk about the Pure Shine, which is the misting detailer by Turtlewax or Hybrid Solutions line. And I want to give a shout out to them as well. So thank you guys very much because they gave this to me, and I really do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. The experience of the Pure Shine was really good. Like, I really did like this product. It definitely boosted the shine. I'm going to use a different word because to me it kind of gave it some clarity to the paint. Now I did apply 303. I want to say the graphene a while back, man. It could have been like 8 months ago or so. But there's a little bit of hydrophobic properties, not too much. So that might play a little bit of a factor, but it definitely boosted the gloss. So it did really well. Did really well there and on the windows as well. I wanted to go ahead and read the directions real quick so that way you guys know what they are. So step 1, shake well. Step 2, wash, rinse, and towel dry your vehicle first. Step 3, use a sweeping motion to spray product directly onto surface. Step 4, in windy conditions, determine wind direction and spray product away from you in a sweeping motion to maximize coverage. You may also spray product directly onto a microfiber towel. Step 5, apply 2 sprays per panel on a dry paint surface. Step 6, spread and wipe with a clean folded microfiber cloth to remove fold cloth as needed. For best results, paint should be free of oxidation and surface contaminants. Note, can be used on wheels, exterior glass, rubber, and plastic, compatible to use on top of previous applied professional coatings, sealants, or waxes to enhance shine and gloss. Multiple applications build additional layers of slickness and shine. So all in all, this product did really well. I know this is a short video, guys, but I also wanted to ask y'all, do you like longer videos or do you like short videos? I've tried them both ways, and to me, it really doesn't matter. But if you have any suggestions, if you like longer videos, I don't mind making longer videos. If you want just kind of like the overall, like, what does this product do? Because normally I'm just a person who kind of likes to cut through all of the BS, right? Straight to the point. That's me. That's how I am. And but I know some people like more information, and just let me know. Let me know what you guys would like. But all in all, I thought this product did an excellent job. It did really well. I did try it on my truck real quick. I did try it on my truck, and it did really well there. But I did notice that I had no protection. So this did add some hydrophobic properties, which is cool. But I'm gonna have to start. I'm gonna have to add a sealant and polish it and all that stuff. So I will be doing that soon. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.